This is a Yale 500 double Euro cylinder. I guess it's ranked at a blue belt lock. It's not excessively hard to get into. It's not the hardest lock I've opened or anything, but it's not an easy lock to open. It takes the time that it takes, and you might have to bear with me here for a second. So to get into it, I'm going to use my Covert Instruments pry bar and 32 thousandths and Peterson's 7 hook. So 1 is nothing. Click at a 2, click at a 3, false set on 4, nothing on 5, 1, 2, another click at a 3, 4, nothing on 5 still, 1, 2, maybe another little click on 3, 4, and nothing on 5 yet. So 1, 2, and another little click at a 3, nothing on 4. Little click at a 5. Counter rotation. 1, 2. Alright, something on 3. Nothing. 4, 5. So now. Drop some things. I might have got one set though. 3, 4. We're back into the false set. Doesn't feel like nothing on 5. Maybe we'll click at a 1, 2. Alright. 3, but 3's not ready to go all the way up. 4. So now 1, 1. Alright, 3. 3 opened it. I just had to get it a little bit higher. But yeah, that's the Yale 500. I figured it's a pretty decent lock, you know, for standard security. Feels like it has some serrateds, and it definitely has some spools, and it looks like the key pins are serrated. It took me about a half hour to get into it the first time, and you know, it's still just that juggling act with setting the security pins.